what's up? Welcome to my channel, and today me and Aaron are back at it again with a video technically we've never done before.
I'm excited.
I decided not to wear eye makeup today also.
You look beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much. Today we're going to be trying out different TikTok fashion hacks, not makeup hacks, but fashion.
Aaron's favorite.
My favorite.
Aaron's favorite. Aaron's pretty excited about some of these. We're going to be bleaching jeans and, I don't know, cutting clothes and trying all kinds of things to see if it really works.
Will it?
Or will it not work? Alright guys, so we're going to make this a quick intro. Just subscribe. Go on to, actually, let's do a giveaway in this video. We should.
We're doing a giveaway.
Woo! We're going to be giving away a lot of makeup, and all you got to do is comment down below to enter and be subscribed, of course. Okay, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So for our first hack, we are going to be bleaching blue jeans.
I'm really excited for this one. I think everyone is.
I think that this one's going to be the whammo cool. We're starting the cool one. Actually, me, Ty, and Aaron, all three want to do this to a pair of our jeans. Is where you bleach one leg of your jeans, and they turn out super fashion cool, and it's like recycling your clothing.
This is going to be awesome.
Awesome.
I already know it. I call it.
All right, we got our cool jeans out. Girl, look at that. Oh.
Ow! Hurt you!
You always have to push bruises.
I know.
Yeah, it makes them better faster.
So I'm going to bleach this side, but I'm going to tape off this little small pocket and on this little, the zipper part too.
Okay. All right, what are you doing with yours, honey?
So I am going to not bleach this or this, and then I'm going to do my back pocket plain.
Cool. Wait, you mean like you're going to tape the back pocket off, right?
Yep.
That's what I'm doing too.
Yes.
Stealing my design. Yeah, I'm just going to do the exact same thing that Laura just said with my cool jeans. All right, how we doing it?
We will look at Aaron go.
Aaron's already going.
So it's like a duct tape that really sticks down. Kind of got to just take your time with the tape and perfect it, I think.
All right, we'll see y'all when we're done taping. All right, guys, Laura's ready to go.
So I decided to do back pocket, this and that. The girl didn't show the back of her jeans, but she did do these two pieces taped off, and I love the way it looks, so I really want to mimic that. So I'm going to use this because I've bleached black shirts before, and regular liquid bleach just really didn't do the job, and this was way stronger. So I'm going to do this. I can't remember what she used in the video, but I'm nervous. And I also have
rub it
gloves.
in?
Yeah, and you're supposed to leave them for 2 hours.
Just out here or something?
Yeah, or whatever. Yeah, like
Does it smell?
Probably in the sun.
So that's a toilet bleach, huh?
yeah.
That's what you were trying to get me to clean the toilet with.
Yes.
Okay.
We don't know how to clean it.
Hey, hey.
Hell.
Hey, save some of that for my toilet.
I hear two in
Get in there. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna leave this part dark, or do I?
Oh, it's up to you.
I don't know. Just not a fashion designer.
Could be cool.
I wanted to be a fashion designer so bad when I was little.
Look at you now.
Who would have thought? Not
Who
me.
would've-
Not me. Now we have Erin doing her jeans. She is working away.
Oh, it's hot.
It is. It's such a hot day, guys. Like in the 90s today. So we're trying to do this like in the shade. You can also do this in your bathtub if you were doing just one pair of jeans, just FYI. Since we're a family, we're doing it all together. Ty is still aggressively taping.
Aggressive? I don't think I'm being aggressive.
It seems aggressive.
Okay. Where'd the tape go?
Alrighty, we finished bleaching our jeans. Mine are looking a little green because we used the toilet bowl bleacher, but they are already turning. Ty and Aaron just, oh my god, Aaron's jeans look like they're turning too.
We ran out of bleach.
So we had to use the liquid Clorox bleach instead of the toilet bowl cleaner because they didn't have enough for 3. So we have to wait 2 to 2.5 hours, check on them, wash them, dry them, and we'll be back. Are the Weird Jean family. All right, guys, this is our jeans. Aaron, we're gonna go ahead and get you to stand up there first and show because you have the best pair. Woo! Aaron, show us. Wow, look at her jeans.
To perfect.
So actually the lighter colored blue jean turned out the best. So give us a spin the other way. Front ways, yes. Okay, we had a little drip.
Little drip drop. The pocket messed up right there just a bit, but nothing major.
No, I think your jeans look honestly fantastic. Like
best for sure.
those are so dope. Like I would pay good money from them from Urban Outfitters.
Girl, we saving money.
All right, Ty, get in there. Girl, we save money.
We save money.
All right, Ty, let's get a look at your jeans. They do look pretty good. We need a little more bleach right there, which is no problem. We can add some. Oh, what?
Look.
We can add more. That's the good thing.
That is the good thing.
You can't take away bleach.
My pocket wasn't the best.
It just went through, huh? The tape.
I mean, I still like them though. They look pretty cool.
I think they look amazing.
Would you pay good money for these at Urban Outfitters?
Yeah, honestly, this looks like a pair of jeans at Urban Outfitters.
All right, let's see yours.
Okay, I have some explaining to mine.
Go ahead.
I think I could have done a little better if it wasn't 93 degrees out and I wasn't burning in the heat trying to do 3 pairs of jeans and vlog it all at once. So we had, this part bothers me. It looks like literally I'm leaking over, like in a very weird area. So I don't like that, but I love this leg and I love how that didn't die.
Yeah.
Like it looks so sick, and then
It
the
does look
back,
cool.
it kind of looks like a sploogey.
Your pocket did good though.
My pocket did fabulous. The tape.
Also, were you meaning to leave this part?
Yeah.
Yeah, you meant to.
Yeah.
Okay.
But like this,
I mean, not bad though.
and then I'm gonna go ahead and add more bleach right here.
Yeah. I like yours better than mine.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Really good.
So for our next hack, I'll let Aaron take over.
Okay, so if your jeans are too big, you can get a shoelace and you tie it in the back so it doesn't show. So like you can just have normal like tight jeans, but then you end up like hiding the shoelace like once you tie it up
And tuck it in.
and tuck it into your jeans. You guys will see.
Aaron's gonna show you how she does it. We went to a skating rink back in like January, and every girl there had shoelaces on the
Yes.
back of their pants. I was like,
Yes.
what is going on? She's gonna show you how she does this. These jeans are from Zara.
Got them a size too big.
Give us a spin. Yeah, do that. Now turn around and snatch them. Oh wow, look at that.
But look
Look at the waist.
look, no waist, waist.
Yes.
All right. How did she do it?
And then she just took it and went like this. Tucked it in. There you go. There you go.
And now your jeans that were too big, they fit. And you look more snatched.
Ooh,
You
yes.
don't have to show a belt or
Anything. Sorry, my bedroom's a mess, guys. I'm getting rid of clothes. Yes, that looks amazing, Aaron. For our next hack, we are going to show you guys, or we're going to test out and see how this works, but we are going to put a rubber band in the bottom of our pants leg jeans.
so you get that
80s looking jean effect, and we're going to kind of walk around and see how it actually looks and works.
See if it's swaggy. All right, y'all.
You ready?
We're getting the 80s look.
Okay, this is already kind of cute. Okay, so they did that, and then they did it one more time. Oh, look, Aaron.
Perfect. Little cuff.
I think it worked.
Look how cute the little cuff is.
Create a little cuff. Dang, the cuff stays together so much better.
And these are not gonna go away. Like I can feel it.
I'm gonna make you try some shoes with it.
Ah.
Aaron, just pop this shoe on.
Your cute Air Forces. These are a little bit too rolled up for my liking.
Yeah, they're rolled up really high.
But you don't have to do that, of course.
Let's see side view. Ooh, sicko.
Sicko.
Do a lift. Do a leg toe lift.
No. Don't want to crease. You like the cuff?
They've never looked better.
I just think it's a little bit too far up my leg.
I think so too. But look,
Yeah, pull that sucker down.
now.
I do say this hack works though. It's a great hack and it keeps your cuffs.
I think it's such a smart hack.
Cool.
For our next hack, we are gonna make a cloudy look tie-dye sweatpants.
This looks so cool.
It looks so cool. It was the way she folded her pants. I have never tie-dye sweatpants.
Me either, so I'm really excited for this one. I hope it works.
It was actually bleach dye, technically.
True. It was bleached dye.
Let's try it out. So we are going to do these gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pink sweatpants. I hope they turn out great because I really love these. Aaron's going to start by wetting them. The girl mixed bleach and water together. I'm sure that works amazing. I am going to wet mine first because I've actually bleached sweatshirts and clothing, and I've always wetted it first and just put the pure bleach on it instead of mixing the two. Water your clothes, Aaron, so they'll grow big and strong.
Aww.
Yes, and then you'll wring it out really good. You'll get all the water wrung out really good. Ty already did his. He's doing a neutral tan pair of sweatpants the same way we're gonna do these, so we'll see how they turn out. Get it, girl. Get it.
They're so heavy.
Aaron is wringing them out. I bet they are. Yes. Girl don't know what she's doing. And then we're gonna show you guys how we're gonna fold them.
All right, Laura's got the bleach ready to go. A little hole in the top. Yeah. Woo. These are gonna be cool. How do you know how much to put?
You put a whole lot. Well, based on what I've done in the past, I've done sweatshirts and t-shirts with bleach. Haven't done jeans yet, but this is like the process. You want to put a lot because your shirt is wet and diluted. All right, we're about to flip a roosie. Look, yours is already turning. That's
It's gonna
so
be
cool.
green.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. We're gonna get a copyright strike for my good ass singing.
Spot on. Don't we just love a little home DIY?
Dude, yours is turning so fast, Ty.
Okay. Whoa.
That should be
Laura's
good.
getting into it.
Whoa.
How long do we let set?
2 3 hours.
All right.
These actually bleached so quick. They bleached in 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go throw them in the wash and we'll see the outcome. Well, here are the sweatpants outcome.
We should add more bleach.
We should add more bleach, but I like ties.
Ties came out great.
I like
They're
the way
pretty cool.
I like the way yours are. I think they're pretty cool. I can redo them with more bleach.
I wish the front would have turned out like the back.
Okay, I see.
Like, the front has less bleach, the back has more bleach.
Yeah.
They're pretty cool though.
I think they're
Okay.
cool either way for sure. I think they're awesome. I'm gonna add more bleach to these for sure.
Yeah, these sweatpants just aren't my favorite. They're too skinny.
Like skinny leg.
Yeah.
Girl, we ain't talking about the style.
Okay, with the bleach, we need to add more. But besides that, I think
It's
they
really
came out-
cute.
I think they're really cute and cool.
Me too. Yay.
That one's a good color to do.
Yeah, this is great. For our next hack, we will be taking a plain white tank top, which I picked up at Walmart a while back, and I never wear it ever, and it's a little too big for me. So we are gonna DIY making a really cute crop tie in the back tank top. I really hope this works out. I am very skeptical about this one. It just seems too good to be true and too easy to be true, but we're gonna try it out.
Let's see.
For our next hack, I'm going to cut this tank top like a square out of the front. Then I'm gonna cut the back in half. This is a cheap tank top. There we go. From Walmart. So if it gets messed up, I won't be heartbroken. It's also like too big and I don't know, I hate wearing it.
Come on, girl.
It's like,
Wait, why wouldn't you have cut both sides at the same time?
what do you mean?
You gonna have a cape?
Yeah, I'm gonna have a cake.
Oh, okay.
You'll see.
Okay.
Just believe.
My bad. Fashion hacks with LauraLee.
Ooh, so smart. Cutting all my clothes.
I'm cutting and bleaching all my clothes.
I'm losing my night. I want to leave my house.
Quarantine edition.
Whoa!
All right. Oh yeah, you missed the camera.
All right, let's flip her on over, E.
All right, you got a shirt with a
I
cape.
just have to cut this in half.
All the way?
Yes.
Do it.
I'm pretty sure she did it all the way, right? Should I watch that TikTok one more time?
Girl,
Nope.
I think she did it all the way because it was strapless. It was like backless.
Get into it.
Yeah.
Yup. Boom,
Cool.
baby. All right, time to try it on.
There she is.
So this is the front of it. I like the way it looks. The only thing is I probably wouldn't do this little white tank top because you kind of have to go without a bra because you're almost backless, so you would see through it. But this is the back side of it. It's pretty cute.
Pretty cool. Whoever tied that knot on the back did an amazing job.
And then yeah, you're just gonna tuck these in a little bit, and then it looks like that. I think it is a cute hack. I really do. It's
Cool
really
hack.
creative way to reuse your clothes.
For the last one, we're gonna be getting a button-down cardigan. Cardigan?
Cardigan?
We're gonna just be cutting it once, so that way it makes a top, but you also still have a cropped cardigan.
Boom! So it's like a cute shirt, a matching cardigan, DIY recycling your fashion. So we'll see if watch it not even work out. It looks stupid.
And it's one of my cardigans too.
Erin's donating one of her cardigans. I told her if I could cut it that I would buy her a new one. Guys, Erin did not have a tight cardigan. She only had a looser cardigan. So I found this pretty tight, pretty similar material cardigan. And I like it. So I hope it works out. I think it's from Shein. So this one was really affordable. But I'm just going to cut the bottom in half and then cut up the top to make it a cardigan. Let's see what happens. So I think I'll start cutting like, yes. It's cutting really easily actually. Here. family effort, all three of us in. And we just have to cut it upwards now.
Boom.
Oh, this is cute.
I don't know, it's kind of a cute thing. Yes.
That is the front, right? Because you're supposed to cut the front.
Yes, this is the front.
Okay.
I think it's like, I don't see a tag. I think it goes either way because there's no tag. Okay, let me try it on. Wish me luck.
This is gonna be crazy.
I feel like I just took a nice cardigan and made it hoey.
I mean,
Up your clothes! Up your clothes! I'm just kidding, y'all. This could be really cute, you know.
I don't think it looks bad. It could be cuter.
This don't stay up. You need a tight cardigan that's like, because this one was pretty tight as it is, and it's all, this part's like falling off of me. So, I mean, it worked.
You can make it work. Should it be looking cute?
I don't think, and like the back's not even bad. It's bad, isn't it?
No, it's not bad.
What do you guys think? Comment down below. The girl that did it, I love her TikTok. She's a super amazing fashion blogger. Probably why hers worked out better. But I think it's cute, you know. Will I wear it? No. Probably won't wear it. All right, guys, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to enter our giveaway.
You know you want to.
Enter to win. Be sure and subscribe before you leave, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Aaron's getting good at being a hype man.
Aaron's literally my hype man.
Hype mom.
Is that what they call it?